In group sports competing for victory, if the individual activity of each player is unrelated to the score acquisition, it is very difficult for the team to win. Activities and management figures of manufacturing in the factory where employees strive are also the same as this status, and this relation is as shown in the figure. For this reason, this time, I would like to introduce you about the visualization of management analysis. Manufacturing and sales activities in a company are able to be shown by this figure. If you express its situation with the amount, it is in the bottom right figure. The factory will purchase materials in such an environment and proceed with production activities. Balance sheet is a method to capture the situation in terms of amount at a certain point. As you can see, BS is on the upper right of the figure. Furthermore, once a company operates for a certain period of time, it will cost sales and cost. This difference is profit. Also, in the upper left is the income statement that shows this situation. Profit will be used for repayment and reinvestment of borrowings, etc. in the process shown below the figure. This whole process is a cash flow statement. The figure above is the very professional figure. At that case, the use of the diagram shown in the previous series is effective for production side people, because this is able to clarify the activities and the overall financial situation. When improving PL, we would like to recommend a target system to everyone, and details of this method was already being introduced at URL. I will explain about BS. As mentioned earlier, BS shows the status of production and sales activities at a certain point in terms of money. This status is shown on the left side of the figure. Activity funds are necessary if this whole is 100 naturally. For this reason, if it is insufficient with the capital shown on the right, the company gathers and adds money by borrowings to attain 100. This is the composition of BS. I made visualization about the credit of BS. Details are as shown in the figure. Everyone can understand in this figure how the lenders of BS showed the production and sales activities by money. If the company produces a large quantity of products with the selling profit, but when the product remains as inventory or WIP, without selling it, there is a danger that the company can't get money by sales proceeds and there are insufficient funds to purchase materials at it. This is a serious problem for the company. I will show you a big problem case of Japan. At early 2000, many Japanese companies shifted their production to developing countries in search of cheap personnel expenses. However, since the product life cycle sharply shortened thereafter, the problems shown here occurred in PCs and household electrical appliances. This is the phenomenon in which profit becomes minus when it is evaluated by the total cost. For this reason, companies of this type made domestic regression as soon as possible. However, there were many problems with the method of mass shipping new product introductions after about 2 months from the market sale. For this reason and sample, making the visualization of management finance like this is a subject to solve many problems.